Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve unfollow friends on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve unfollow friends on Instagram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Instagram app. Here will enter to the window of first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.